In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Calendly meeting. Whether you're scheduling meetings, appointments, or planning events, Calendly is a powerful tool that can make your life a lot easier. But what happens when you need to make changes to an existing meeting? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the steps to ensure your Calendly events are always up to date. First off, head over to Calendly's website. This is your starting point for any adjustments you might need to make. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option. Clicking this will take you closer to accessing your scheduled events. Now, for those of you who prefer the convenience of not having to remember another password, Calendly offers a handy Continue with Google option. This means if you've got a Google account, you're just a few clicks away from getting where you need to be. Selecting this option will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for Calendly. After successfully logging in, you're going to be directed to Calendly's main dashboard. Here's where the fun begins. Navigate to the event type section. This area showcases all the different meetings or appointment types you've set up, offering a broad view of your scheduling landscape. Spot the particular event you need to edit and select it. This action zooms in on the specifics of that event, opening up a world of customization options for you. Your next step involves clicking on Event Details. Think of this area like the backbone of your event. It's where you can tweak the title, description, location, and duration, ensuring that the information provided to your invitees is as clear and precise as possible. But what about the schedule for this event? You're right to ask. By clicking on Scheduling Settings, you open up a layer of control over when your event can take place, adjust availability, add buffer times between meetings, and set limits on how many meetings you're willing to hold in a day. This customization ensures you're not overbooked and that each meeting fits perfectly into your schedule. Don't overlook the booking page options. This is where you decide how your event appears to those you're inviting. Customize the look and feel of your booking page, set up questions to ask your invitees, or use this space to share any critical information they might need before the meeting. Last but certainly not least, we have the Notifications and Workflows section. This tool is a goldmine for keeping both you and your attendees informed. Edit email notifications, configure reminders, and even automate follow-up messages. By fine-tuning these settings, you ensure that communication around your event is seamless and that everyone is kept in the loop. Let's recap a bit. Today we've walked through the essential steps of editing an event in Calendly, starting from logging in all the way to adjusting notification settings. Remember, the key to efficient scheduling lies not just in setting up meetings, but in managing them effectively as plans change. Calendly's platform is designed to be intuitive, but knowing exactly where to navigate for each adjustment can save you time and enhance your scheduling experience. If you're looking to make your scheduled events feel more personalized, or merely aiming to fine-tune the logistics of an upcoming meeting, these steps will guide you through making those necessary edits without breaking a sweat. And there you have it. With this knowledge in hand, you're well equipped to keep your Calendly events as flexible and responsive as your schedule demands. As always, we encourage exploring all the features Calendly has to offer. Dive deep, experiment with different settings, and find the perfect configuration that meets your scheduling needs. Remember, effective time management is about adaptability, and with tools like Calendly, you're always one step ahead. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.